Hi, and welcome to a Wilkes video tutorial. Today, we will be going over finding your textbooks. First thing you're going to want to do is sign into your Wilkes portal. Once you do that, scroll down and on the left-hand side, find the on-campus heading. Once you click on that, you can go ahead and click on the Barnes& Noble bookstore link. This will bring us to the bookstore. If you hover over the word textbook, you can go ahead and click on Find Textbook. This is going to bring us to our Find Course Materials page. This is the page where we will want to enter in our class information. Our term will be spring of 2021. Our department is going to be nursing, and that's abbreviated NSG. You can either type that in or go ahead and scroll down and find NSG. You're going to enter in your course. For this example, we will be entering in course 504. And then the section, we will be doing IKA, but you can go ahead and enter in your section for your class. You can also enter multiple courses at one time. Once you've entered all your courses, click the blue button on the bottom for Find Materials. This brings us to the page that has all of our required materials for your class. Just do a double check to make sure you've got the right class, and then go ahead and get your textbooks. If you have any problems along the way, feel free to reach out to your Student Success Advisor or to the bookstore directly. Thank you so much.